California shorty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am coming at you with a prom look. I know I'm kind of late, but I did do my client prom look, so this is my own prom look, I guess. No, I'm not going to prom. I didn't get asked, and I'm only a freshman. A lot of people think I'm a junior or senior already. I'm a freshman. But I'm just gonna kind of do a simple, super glam type of look. It's honestly pretty glam. There's gonna be glitter and stuff involved, but I have a prom look from last year, and I have a couple more simple glam looks if that's something you're looking for. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you in 2 seconds. Let's get started. Okay, so today's palette is going to be the Morphe 3502. I'm trying to get more use out of my palettes, and this one is beautiful, but not been used very much at all. So basically, we're going to go in with it today. I used my soft glam palette for school today, and I really liked the look I did. It was honestly like a prom-ish look, just more like a simple one. Anyways, I'm going to be taking this light brown up in this corner. This is going to be my first shade and my transition shade. So I'm just gonna go in and pack that on, and I used the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas primer, and I used the white shade, which I believe is called Halo. But yeah, so I just posted a haul literally today, like the day you're watching this is the day I posted it. I filmed it a week ago, but I finally posted it, and literally yesterday I bought more makeup, and I might be making an Ulta order tomorrow, which I know is so bad and I need to stop, but there's so many sales going on right now. Like House of Sparkles had 75% off almost everything. So I literally spent $20 on like $50 or $60 of the makeup, and I got a bunch of like glitters and stuff. I'll end up showing you guys probably in a video after I get them, but since those are all the way in the UK, it's gonna take a while. And then I also bought pigments. I'm so excited. I bought eye pigments from Badass Cosmetics. I'm so excited to get those. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I just kind of realized that you guys didn't even know I was gone, but my sister got a dress in the mail, so I wanted to see it. And I went to use the restroom. So I'm just going to put this slightly lower than the transition shade, just so the blend is all good, because I am going in with an even deeper shade, as the thumbnail definitely will give away. Now I am going in with this super dark, deep, rich brown color. So how is everyone? I haven't filmed a makeup video in so long. Like, I know I filmed with Matavia, but like that's not the same thing, because like I wasn't talking to you guys. So like, I don't know, I feel like we haven't like actually talked in a really long time, because during my haul I was talking about products and stuff, so it's been a while. Eye looks absolutely terrible. I don't know why, and I don't feel like fixing it, but I'm gonna go in with my Stila Magnificent Metals in Kitten, and I'm gonna put this on the inner portion of my eye. Literally, this is like so similar to the look I did last year. Going in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. I literally use this so much, but I'm just going to take this and go right above where that shimmer shade ends. These are the eyes basically done. I'm not going to prime my face just because it's 6 o'clock and I already wore makeup today. So I'm just gonna moisturize. But if you're actually going to prime, I recommend using a pore minimizing primer and also a like regular primer. So like for me, I would do a pore minimizing primer and a hydrating primer just because I have dry skin. And I put the pore primer on my nose, under my eyes, on the center of my forehead and my smile lines, and then the other primer everywhere else, just because you gotta have really good prime skin. Okay, so for bronzer, I went with my Morphe palette, and for blush, I went with my Anastasia palette, like always, and then for highlight, I'm going in with the Delicate Living My Best Light palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the shade Precious, and I'm going to glow to the gods. Literally, this palette is so pretty. And if you mix it with the Anastasia loose highlighter, ooh, Erin was right. That's gorgeous. Inner corner, I'm just going in with this Maybelline Nikki Tutorials highlighter. This is seriously gorgeous. And I'm putting the rest on my Cupid's bow and my nose. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with that darker brown shade and just drag that kind of messily under my lower lash. I went with Get It Beauty Galileo. And then for lips, I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Poet. And then I'm gonna put this lip gloss and Glitter Fix in Gold Boost on top. I really like this makeup look, so just going to put this on. A little first impression here. I've never used either of these products before, so matte, very matte, but it's a beautiful color. I'm gonna go in with this Glitter Fix. I'm honestly a little bit scared because it's literally pure gold. Oh god, okay. So it's not really glossy. It just puts like glitter specks. I mean, it looks more glossy now, but definitely very pretty. I need to fix this lash because the inner corner is not glued down. But then I will be back with the outro. Okay, this is the final prom look. I think it's super pretty. Personally, I would wear this to prom, definitely, with like a black dress or a gold dress with white, or a white dress with gold, or a red dress. This would be super pretty. Even a blue dress. This would just look really, really good. A green dress too. This would be bomb with a dark emerald green dress. But yeah, I really like the way it looks. It's super glam, but it's at the same time not too much. Like, you could do more or you could do less. So with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. By the time this goes up, I'm assuming we probably hit 800 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. I love each and every one of you so much. The next goal is 900 and 1,000. We're just getting so close and I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.